Let's learn how to assemble our Yamaha percussion kit. Begin by carefully unzipping the bag and never force a stuck zipper. Remove all the parts from the case. You should have two metal pieces that are the stand, mallets, and the bells themselves. Some kits also include a practice pad and drumsticks. Open the 3 feet on the bottom half of the stand by sliding the collar down about 1/3 of the way and tightening the screw. Be careful never to over-tighten or over-loosen any of the screws. A few turns usually does the trick. The top half of the stand then goes into the bottom. Then tighten the screw to hold it in place. Next, open the 4 feet that hold the bells by loosening the screw and sliding the collar upward. Place the bells onto the stand. They will only fit one way. Just make sure the pin in the middle of the stand lines up with the hole under the bells as seen here. Lastly, adjust the height of the bells so they are at waist level. Congratulations, you're now ready to play.